Hey guys, and you join me with two rather exciting Lexus LC 500 models. Now, I got these as a gift from a friend for my birthday, and I wanted to show you and unbox it together just because we're all Lexus fans here, and hopefully you're a fan of the LC 500. And I'm really grateful I got these two because yeah, I think it's really cool to see. So let's see what they're like and open them up. This is made by ERA Cars, or ERA Cars. The first one we have here is the limited edition Nori Green LC500. It's got number 60 on the card box. And yeah, licensed by Toyota. Let's get this little package opened up. I'm really excited to see what is inside. So let's give this guy an unboxing. I have taken the shrink wrap off both just to make life a little bit easier. And let's see what they look like. So there's the inside the packaging. Oh, this is quite exciting. It's a little bit lighter than I was expecting in terms of the weight, but let's check out the detail on it. I like the rims. They look like my rims, but not two-tone, like the black and the chrome. It says Lexus up front. It's green. I wonder, does the bonnet open? Do the doors open? The doors open. There we go. You can see this one's got the tan interior, or a variation of the tan at least, with a black steering wheel, black dash, which maybe that's a Japanese spec. I can't say I have seen that colour combination in real life, but needless to say, you can see kind of the flat dash. I can see the little shifter where the centre console is, and then in the rear I like how delicately it's been painted with the LC500 logo and the badging just on the rear there, if that focuses in. And then you can see the tail lights. They've got the red, the exhaust tips, and even the the tow hook. And with a little bit of perseverance, I managed to get the bonnet open, which I never knew happened on this model either, so that is a nice touch. You can see some detailing there on the engine cover, and we can see the engine mount. So yeah, the die-cast model ERA managed to make a pretty decent model of the inside of the LC, so that's a really cool car design model, and I'm pretty pleased with that as well. Seeing a Hong Kong design underneath, so that's pretty fantastic. Let's get the police car opened up while we're here. Again, just going to give it a little pull underneath. Oh, this is like so exciting, looking at the two-tone. Look at that. That is so cool. So this one does come with a little figurine as well. The box just has a little like kind of model police person there. So that is the little police person that, as you can see, is pretty fixed, but they'll be able to sit in the car, I guess, which, going with the green one, I'm presuming it's going to do both. So you can see this is an actual Japanese police car. There's pictures on Reddit and the Facebook forums of the LC Japanese police car, which is pretty cool with the white and the black two-tone paint. I have noticed on the rear they've moved the LC kind of logo above the police badge there. See the comparison? Whereas in the regular car, it's just below the Lexus logo. Of course, you've got the red lights up top being a Japanese police car, and you're just this little kind of black bit on the bonnet. Get my nail in there. Oh, that opens quite easily. You can see we've got the kind of engine mount suspension kind of componentry to an extent inside there, along with the engine bay cover. Again, that's really cool to see. Spindle grille up front. I think with the black it kind of probably pops out a little bit more than the green, ever so slightly. So the same rims again, and then this is going to be getting the doors open, which is a little bit more delicate. Now this one is right-hand drive. Are they both right-hand drive? Have I just noticed one's left? Aha, so the Japanese police car is right-hand drive, true to scale, because also Japan's right-hand drive, just like us here in the UK. And this must be an American spec or North American spec because it's left-hand drive. That's quite a cool touch. You don't often see die-casting models having a left and right-hand drive variant. You know, usually if you buy it, say from like, I don't know, a Matchbox Hot Wheels one, something like that, it's just you're stuck with whatever side it is. That's quite a neat little touch. Let's get a little guy or police person, don't know if they're gender neutral, into the car. Let's see if we'll sit in here. Well, that's actually quite easy first time. That is pretty epic. I really like that. I think that's a really fun little design piece and element. I think that is pretty cool how they've managed to design that and get that person inside. So yeah, that is the two Lexus LC models. So yeah, comment below what you think about the little LC models. I'm very grateful to have got these as a little birthday gift. I think they're really fun and something that, yeah, it's really personal just because I love, I own one Lexus fan, and having a little police car is pretty cool, and then having the green one as well, something you can put on the desk or whatever and present and see every day. It's quite a neat touch. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed this little kind of look at these die-cast model cars, and for reference they are scale 1/64 in case anybody is curious. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Ciao.